you?
Good.
Good.
Nice evening.
Huh?
Nice evening.
Oh, yeah. It's beautiful out. You guys going to the state fair this year?
Huh?
You guys going to the state fair this year?
No.
No?
No. I've been there too many times.
Once you've done it all.
Huh?
You don't need to go back.
I worked there for 22 years helping, volunteering over there.
Oh, wow.
So then I just didn't work the FLCIO and then I quit.
Oh, so you've had your fill of it.
I had my share there.
Right, right. Have a good one. You too. The people you meet on your way to the store. Anyhow, I gotta show you guys this gorgeous garden. It's so pretty. I love gardens. I'm not that much of a garden connoisseur, but these guys, they're actually like an urban farming type people. It's kind of cool. Oh, look at all the leaves. The leaves are falling. Come on, Bo. Come on. Bo. Yeah. Anyhow. Oh, stop. Anyhow. Let me get over here. I'm going to show you guys this garden. It's so freaking pretty. Bo likes it over here. Thinks it's really pretty. So, this place used to be an old grocery store and whatnot, and it was taken over by these people. Well, they did all kinds of gardening. They put up this cool fence, and it's absolutely gorgeous back here, though. As you can see, they have all kinds of stuff. They have climbing tomatoes, and all that stuff. It's just really cool. All kinds of tomatoes. It's just really gorgeous. And there's their compost pile, which is cool. Oh, look at all that. It's really pretty. Anyhow, it goes all the way back to here, and you can see the things. Hello. How are you? Good. Ready? Ready, Bo? Oh, wow, they got grapes. See, look at the grapes. Isn't that cool? They got grapes back there. That's so cool. And they're already, like, ripe. All kinds of stuff back here. Oh, morning glories and all kinds of stuff. But it's really cool. I know I just showed it to you, but anyhow. So, yeah, and walking back into another alleyway. That was fun. But yeah, so my story. I live in Minnesota. Obviously, a city, because not a lot of people have alleyways in the country. Anyhow, and I'm a beater. I make jewelry. Lots of jewelry, all the time. And, yeah, it's fun. And as you've seen some of my videos, Bo the dog, I'm married. I have a husband, Charles, and he's cute and funny. And we've been married almost 10 years. And he's just a sweetheart. I mean, honestly, couldn't ask for a better husband. Makes me laugh all the time. He's generous, he's fun, he's silly, and I'm pretty lucky. Well, Charles named it. When I was probably, I don't know. Come here, Bo. Hi. And, not used to this vlogging thing. It's kind of weird because I don't do a lot of this. Oh, but you gotta see this. It's cool. Garage. It's kind of cool. See it? It's just really neat. Isn't that cool? Somebody painted that. Oh, and you gotta see this. There's a little airplane. Isn't that cool? There's a bird and all these molecules. That's so cool. Oh, there's another bird. An airplane. It's kind of cool. And the clouds. That's really neat. I love art. Oh, look at that. That's kind of weird. I like that. Somebody spent a lot of time on that. Holy cow. Does it wrap around? I don't even know. Look at that. That is so cool. Does it wrap around? It does. Oh my god. That is so cool. All these weird molecules. I love that. Laughter. Ha ha. Ha ha. That is really cool. I like this. Curiosity. Curiosity. Laughter. Laughter. And discovery. That is so cool. I love that. See? There's me with it. That is so cool. Anyhow, we're done. Whee! Oh, I just had to get myself unwrapped from Bo. But anyhow. Well, anyhow, I love art. This weekend is the Lola Art Fair, which is really fun, and I hope I'll be able to vlog during that. I don't know. Hopefully I feel better. This cold is kicking my butt. Anyhow, look at the sunset. It's so pretty. Yay! I love sunsets. Anyhow, I hate this because I have to cross 46th or 42nd and make sure I don't get hit. Oh, there's an airplane. Cool airplane. I love airplanes. And good grief. There's just a ton of people out here. Anyhow. I better... What the hell? All these bikes. Bikes in my way.
Hey!
Hi!